Yeah, we're looking forward to the first Six Nations game of the season, and the first game Joe Schmidt has had since the World Cup to put that disappointing day against Argentina to rights. And I'll be looking at Ireland's chances against this massive Wales team in what's going to be a huge game to kick off the tournament that everyone's been looking forward to for so long. We've got Alan Quinlan. Alan Quinlan is his favourite opponent was Wales, so we're going to get his thoughts on what it was like to play against them and also what he reckons for the campaign ahead. And Tony Ward is calling on Ireland's leaders to step up, a new generation of leaders. We've also got Sinead Gassan, we've Billy Keane looking ahead to the big game, and Dave Kelly's going to recall some big battles of the past between the two countries. And it's not just rugby, of course. We've got a big weekend at GAA with the Dubs going to Castlebar to see if if Mayo can bounce back from their big defeat on the opening day. We've got Richie Forrestal meeting a new member of our team and Patrick Mullins ahead of Leopardstown this weekend, and also a big weekend of Premier League action with Man United Chelsea, the big game. So there's a huge amount of reading to do in Saturday's Irish Independent.
Saturday's Irish Independent. It's your weekend.